way to Straddie for the weekend. So today's Saturday morning, coming home Monday afternoon. We are absolutely jam-packed. Yeah, so we're going for a bit of fishing, forward driving. Unfortunately, the weather isn't the best for us. But that's okay, we'll still have fun. This is little Ellie, she's our camping dog. Normally we go away in our van. She loves going away camping, doesn't she? And Adrian packed all the car this morning, and we're not taking the van, we've got our swags on the roof. So we're heading to the ferry now. We're running so late. There was a bit of traffic on the way at Burleigh with the roadworks going on. So we're just going to scrape it in to get there on time, do our paperwork that we have to do, and get onto the ferry. So yeah, we'll see you on the ferry.
Alright guys, we're on the ferry. Pretty excited.
Yay!
Ellie's keen. Keen, Ellie? Keen?
She's doing her denim look this weekend.
The denim bandana. So when you come onto the ferry, we came up a ramp. There's two ramps, a ramp either side, and we were parked on the hill, and we thought, oh bloody hell, there's a Land Cruiser in front of us. They've got terrible handbrakes. But then once the ramp's full, they ended up pushing it up with a big hydraulic ram, so everyone's all flat again now. So
oh, you're going to get hammered saying the Land Cruisers are...
I love Land Cruisers. They just got bad brakes, everyone knows that.
We hit the beach to let our tyres down. Apparently both cars, our friends who were with, they're letting them down to 18 to be able to drive on the sand. I'm not getting out to film it because it is so hot here. The humidity, you're outside and your hair is just drenched. It's so hot. But Straddie so far, we've been here a few hours and we've had a good look around, and it's just beautiful. So we will see you on the beach.
Yeah.
A couple of gazebos. One's got a mesh, Aussie mesh. Benny, don't you jump. Bloody good actually. The June gazebo held up well. King's one's holding up. We had to lower it last night. Got a bit of rain come through and a bit of wind. But yeah, we got this rain come through, so I had to pull out the old awning. The old King's extension, 3 metre awning extension out. Because we got some rain the night before last and I got hammered with water. I was saturated in the King swag, so I wasn't happy with that. Solar panels out. Solar showers out. It's warming up, and here's the view for the morning. Bloody beautiful day here on Straddie. We've got to start packing up today. Head out Ferry 2 o'clock. People driving by. Doing a bit of fishing. Bloody beautiful spot.